Guys, we've got Kanan with Freedom Tire Company, mobile tire company, at the house today, replacing the tires on the Project 8. Because you know, with the Jags, these SV Jags, some of the wheels are irreplaceable. You just can't buy them anymore. So it's not a matter of, oh no, it's going to be expensive. It's you can't get it anymore. And so I'm having tires replaced on the Project 8 because they've got about 6,000 miles on them, but they're also 6 years old. And we got Tail of the Dragon coming up, so we wanted to go ahead and proactively take care of that. But check this rig out. I don't know if you can hear me or not. This is the Project 8, of course. Just still the world's fastest four-door car on the Nürburgring as far as combustion engines go. And so they're taking the wheels off. And he's got this trailer out here, and he's mounting the new tires, and he can balance the tires all on this truck. Isn't that right, Kanan?
What's up? What's up?
He's got the tire mounter in the back. And he's got his wheel balance machine right here. And so Kanan does all of these super high-end cars in town. Bugattis, even. A lot of those other things where you really can't trust your local tire shop to understand and treat these cars the way they need to be treated, just because they're so rare and the parts are so rare. And these are 200-mile-an-hour cars. That is a 200-mile-an-hour car. Although I'll never do 200 miles an hour in it, we will do some high-speed driving, and you want to make sure everything needs to be right. So we are at my house right now. Basically, you could do this in the garage too, but it's such a beautiful day out here in Eagleville. We thought it was worthwhile to do this. But they do come right to your house for not much more than taking it to a tire shop. And they'll change the tires right there, so I don't have to put miles on the car and take it somewhere to get it done. That's one of his mobile rigs. He does my fleet tires for my heating and cooling company that I own. He also does, like, FedEx is one of his accounts. And he's got a tremendous amount of experience with tires for high performance cars and fleet vehicles. So there's his phone number right there. You should give this guy a holler if you're anywhere in Middle Tennessee. Garage update real quick while we're up here. That of course is one of the other Jags, the XKRS GT. There's 40 of those in the world. And this is the other SV car, the Jaguar Project 7. The one he's working on is the Project 8. Projects we've got going on. We added that mezzanine upstairs last year. Just installed this chandelier this year. Yesterday actually. And the next project is we're going to take everything off the back wall. The bar back, the little bar, TV, all that stuff. Everything's coming off, and we're doing some custom garage built-ins. They're gonna have glass tops, countertop. I want to get everything behind cabinets and clean it all up.
Me and him were talking about one of the nicest things we've ever seen.
And new shoes. These are not the original tires that came on this car. The Project 8 had Jaguar logoed tires for the Project 8. And I spent 8 months waiting on them, and they could never get them in. But they are Michelin Cup 2s. So this is the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 replacement for the tires that Jaguar was putting on there. Look at this rear end. I think these are, rear end is 305 30s ZR20s. Check out how fat this rear end is. It sticks out past the rear of the car that much. So the fender has cutouts for aero. So I had a double layer of PPF put on these carbon pieces because all the rocks coming off the back of the car were absolutely striking that carbon. No step. You want to do some push-ups first or something?
My man Giannis. My man Giannis. I can do push-ups.
Now that they're mounted, we're balancing them.
Serious, baby.
Outstanding.
Right in the air and a bead breaker and a tire changer. Option.
Kanan with the Freedom Tire Company. Got anything to say?
FTG Freedom Tire guys.
Oh, no,
I'm
you're
about to be a
absolutely
girl.
right. I apologize.
My wife's coming on, so she wants me to rename it. We'll see what happens.
And you just got to keep the family
But
happy.
Yep. We'll see what happens. Yeah. But I mean, came here, did the Jag. 4 new Michelin Sport Cup 2s. Fresh rubber. Got the old rubber off. So now James can go out and just whip the Dragon and see what it can do.
I'll still be the slowest guy.
I mean,
That's the way
it's
it is.
okay.
But I'll have new
hey,
tires.
No stones thrown right here.
That's right. Well, you've been there.
No, been there, done it. I mean, I had my 93 R1 out there, and I was ringing them. But yeah, beautiful car. James, thank you so much, man. We appreciate the opportunity to work on one of your multiple vehicles. Man, we appreciate it. Beautiful car. Enjoy the tires. Happy summer. Go out there and tear it up, man. Have fun.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, man. You got it.